Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs MCQs program. Let's begin with previous day's practice question. Question was, the 𝐸𝐀𝐒 𝐏𝐤𝐻 project primarily aims to connect the Indian state of West Bengal with the capital city of Bangladesh, Dhaka, establish a direct rail link between 𝐸𝐀𝐒 and 𝐏𝐤𝐻 facilitating trade and regional connectivity, enhance transportation between the Indian states of Assam and Meghalaya, or enable high-speed rail travel between New Delhi and Kolkata. The correct answer is option B. Establish a direct rail link between 𝐸𝐻𝐒 and 𝐏𝐤𝐻 facilitating trade and regional connectivity. The 𝐸𝐻𝐒 𝐏𝐤𝐻 Rail Link project is an important international railway initiative that primarily aims to establish a direct rail link between 𝐸𝐻𝐒 in the Indian state of Tripura and 𝐾𝐻 in Bangladesh. This connection is intended to enhance trade, transportation, and regional connectivity between the two regions. While it may have broader implications for regional connectivity, the central focus of the project is on linking 𝐸𝐻𝐒 and 𝐾𝐻. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, consider the following statements regarding the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. 1. It is primarily aimed at promoting affordable housing for economically weaker sections. 2. It focuses on improving healthcare infrastructure in rural areas. 3. It offers free education to underprivileged children. How many of the statements given above is or are correct? Only one, only two, all three, or none? The correct answer is option A, only one. PMAY aims to promote affordable housing for economically weaker sections. Hence, statement 1 is correct. PMAY's primary focus is on housing, not healthcare. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. PMAY does not offer free education. Hence, statement 3 is not correct. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding Sudan. 1. Sudan is the largest country in Africa. 2. The capital of Sudan is Khartoum. 3. Sudan has a predominantly arid climate. How many of the statements given above is or are correct? Only one, only two, all three, or none? The correct answer is option B, only two. Sudan was the largest country in Africa before the secession of South Sudan in 2011. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. The capital of Sudan is Khartoum. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Sudan has a predominantly arid climate with deserts covering much of its territory. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding the International Organization for Migration. 1. IOM is a specialized agency of the United Nations. 2. The primary focus of IOM is promoting international trade and economic development. 3. IOM provides services and advice concerning migration to governments and migrants. How many of the statements given above is or are correct? Only one, only two, all three, or none? The correct answer is option A, only one. The International Organization for Migration is a specialized agency of the United Nations. Hence, statement 1 is correct. IOM's primary focus is not on promoting international trade and economic development. It primarily deals with migration-related issues. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. IOM provides services and advice concerning migration to governments and migrants, including assistance with migration issues, refugee resettlement, and more. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty. 1. The CTBT aims to prevent all nuclear testing for both peaceful and military purposes. 2. The CTBT has been ratified and is fully enforced by all nuclear armed states. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option A, 1 only. The Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty, or CTBT, is an international treaty that seeks to ban all nuclear explosions for both civilian and military purposes. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The CTBT had not been fully enforced because not all nuclear armed states had ratified it. Some key nuclear armed states such as the United States and China had signed but not ratified the treaty. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following best explains Bletchley Park? A waterfall in Canada, a military museum in the USA, a place in England, or none of the above? The correct answer is option C, a place in England. Bletchley Park, a crucial establishment during World War II, was instrumental in code breaking and intelligence operations. It is located in Buckinghamshire, England. It served as a central site for British code breakers during the war. It played a pivotal role in decrypting Axis Power's encrypted messages, particularly those generated by the German Enigma machine. The breakthroughs at Bletchley Park provide the Allies with critical intelligence, helping them anticipate enemy actions, intercepting U-boat communications, and deciphering vital messages. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Next question is, what is the primary mandate of the Financial Action Task Force, or FATF? Promoting international trade and economic cooperation, combating money laundering and terrorist financing, regulating global financial markets, or ensuring fair taxation practices worldwide. The correct answer is option B, combating money laundering and terrorist financing. The Financial Action Task Force, or FATF, is an intergovernmental organization established to combat money laundering and terrorist financing on a global scale. Its primary mandate is to set international standards and promote effective policies and actions to prevent illicit financial activities. FATF issues recommendations and guidelines to help countries strengthen their anti-money laundering and counter-terrorist financing efforts, making the global financial system more secure. These standards are critical in reducing the flow of funds to criminal organizations and terrorist groups. While FATF does play a role in financial regulation, its primary focus is on AML and CTF measures. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Next question is, in the context of which of the following Odonata was mentioned in the news recently? International Space Station, climate change, wildlife conservation, or cryptocurrency regulations? The correct answer is option C, wildlife conservation. Odonata refers to a taxonomic order that includes dragonflies and damselflies. These insects are notable for their unique flying abilities and are commonly associated with freshwater ecosystems. These insects are often used as indicators of the health of aquatic environments, and conservation efforts related to Odonata are important for maintaining biodiversity and ecosystem health. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Next question is, consider the following statements regarding the element tellurium, which is sometimes seen in the news. 1. It is photosensitive. 2. It is used as a coloring agent in ceramics. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? The correct answer is option C, both 1 and 2. Recently, the physicists have found that tellurium is produced in neutron star mergers. Tellurium is a semi-metallic, lustrous, crystalline, brittle, silver-white element. It has the properties of both metals and non-metals. Tellurium is a semiconductor material and is slightly photosensitive. Hence, statement 1 is correct. It is one of the only elements that readily combine with gold. It is also used as a coloring agent in ceramics. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. Next question is, sometimes seen in the news, Mudumalai Tiger Reserve is located in which of the following states? Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, or Andhra Pradesh? The correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Recently, around 50 Odonata species were identified on the first day of the 2-day Odonata survey that commenced in Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. Odonata is an insect order consisting of 3 groups: Anisoptera, which includes dragonflies; Zygoptera, which includes damselflies; and Anisozygoptera, a relict group represented by only 2 living species. It is located in the Nilgiris district of Tamil Nadu, spread over 321 square kilometers at the tri-junction of 3 states, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. It lies on the northeastern and northwestern slopes of the Nilgiri Hills, which are part of the Western Ghats. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Last question is, recently seen in the news, the 𝐈𝐀𝐒, that is enabling communications on real-time environment software, is an initiative of which of the following? Niti Aayog, Ministry of Communications, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, or Election Commission of India? The correct answer is option D, Election Commission of India. Recently, the Election Commission of India has designed in-house software 𝐈𝐀𝐒 for complete candidate and election management. This 𝐈𝐀𝐒 software stands for enabling communications on real-time environment. This provides a seamless facility for returning officers to process candidate nominations, affidavits, voter turnout, counting results, and data management. The 𝐈𝐀𝐒 counting application is an end-to-end application for returning officers to digitize the votes polled, tabulate the round-wise data, and then take out various statutory reports of counting. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Now it's time for the practice question. Recently seen in the news, the National Efficient Cooking Program is an initiative of which of the following? Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, Solar Energy Corporation of India, Association of Renewable Energy Agencies of States, or Energy Efficiency Services Limited. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.